Hello, it is me, Anna. Today is day 2 of our simple English journey. Yesterday, I woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and drank warm water. Today, I want to tell you about my breakfast. This is my simple morning. I will speak slowly. You can listen. You can repeat. Just relax. Just follow my voice. I walk into my kitchen. The morning light comes in through the window. The light is soft and warm. I like this moment. I feel calm. I say softly, "Good morning, kitchen." I feel a little hungry, so now I make breakfast. I say, "I make breakfast." I repeat it again. I make breakfast. I go to the fridge. I open the door slowly. Cold air comes out. It feels cool on my face. Inside, I see bread. I see eggs. I see fruit. I say, "I want a simple breakfast today." I take 1 egg. I say, "I take an egg." I take bread. I say, "I take bread." I take a banana. I say, "I take a banana." I close the fridge. Now I go to the stove. I turn it on. The fire is small. I like small fire in the morning. I take a small pan and put it on the stove. The pan becomes warm. I hold the egg. I crack the egg gently. The egg falls into the pan. It makes a soft sound. I watch it slowly. I say, "I cook an egg." I repeat, "I cook an egg." The egg cooks little by little. The white becomes white. The yellow stays yellow. I wait. I breathe. I do not rush. While the egg cooks, I take the bread. I put the bread on a small white plate. I like white plates. They look clean. I peel the banana slowly. I take a small bite. It tastes sweet. I smile. I say, "I eat a banana." Now the egg is ready. I turn off the stove. I move the egg to my plate. I put it next to the bread. My breakfast looks simple. Bread, egg, banana. I sit down at my table. I take a deep breath. I say, "I sit at the table." I repeat it slowly. I take a bite of bread. It is soft. It tastes light. I take a bite of egg. It is warm. It tastes good. I feel happy. Simple food makes me happy. I drink warm water. The warm water feels good in my body. I say, "I drink warm water." I repeat it, "I drink warm water." I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. My morning feels peaceful. I feel safe. When I finish eating, I say, "I finish breakfast." I repeat, "I finish breakfast." I stand up. I take my plate and cup. I go to the sink. I wash my plate. I wash my cup. The water feels warm. I like warm water in the morning. I say, "I wash the dishes." I put the plate in the drying rack. I put the cup next to it. They look clean. It feels good. I walk back to the table. I sit again for a moment. I breathe in slowly. I breathe out slowly. I touch my stomach lightly. I feel full. I feel calm. I feel ready for the day. Now I repeat my morning. You can repeat after me if you want. I make breakfast. I take an egg. I take bread. I take a banana. I cook an egg. I eat bread. I eat a banana. I drink warm water. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I feel good. I finish breakfast. I wash the dishes. I feel ready for the day. Now I ask you some simple questions. You can answer with one word or short answers. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat bread? Do you cook eggs? Do you drink water in the morning? Do you eat slowly? Do you feel good after breakfast? Very good. You are doing great. You are learning. Even if you speak quietly, it is good. Even if you speak in your mind, it is good. Every day you learn more, step by step, slow and simple. Thank you for practicing with me today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for repeating. This is day 2 of your English journey. A simple journey, a strong journey. I am proud of you. I believe in you. See you in day 3. Have a good morning and have a good day. Leave a comment below. What did you have for breakfast? Don't just watch. Subscribe, comment, and practice English with us every day. Welcome to the MR Leo English channel.